Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Subaru Forester steering wheel easy method. Disconnect the battery and wait at least 10 minutes to discharge capacitors, then remove the center airbag by accessing the rear release tabs and gently unplug the connector. Unbolt the main nut, mark alignment, and use a puller to remove the wheel straight off the splines. Keep parts organized and inspect the clock spring before reassembly. Handle the airbag module with care and set it face up on a clean, soft surface to avoid pressure on the cover. Use a small flat tool to release the retention clips behind the wheel, then lift the module gently and unplug the connector by lifting the lock tab. Label and photograph each connector for easy reassembly, organize fasteners in a magnetic tray, and remove column covers to expose the steering shaft and clock spring. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more auto DIY tips. Quick recommendation: Droplet stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, a great companion for long work sessions under the hood. I appreciate your support, and check the description for the link and other deals, and share any questions or tips in the comments. Now let's get back to the video. Mark the steering wheel position relative to the column so alignment is preserved during reinstallation. After removing the main nut, thread 2 bolts evenly into the hub to act as puller guides and use a proper steering wheel puller to press the wheel free from the splines. Lift the wheel straight off the shaft to prevent damage to the clock spring, inspect mating surfaces, and clean before reinstalling components in reverse while keeping torque specs in mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.